Chair, good morning.
Oh, good morning, womanizer. What are you doing in my compound?
Chair, I'm not in your compound. I've come to see Jennifer.
So Jennifer did not tell you that she got married to one Americana and that her bride price has been paid in full? And equally that the elders have been settled adequately. You see? But I told you this. I told you that you are a fool, a womanizer extraordinaire. But you took it with a pinch of salt. Eh? Now, what it means is that all the farm work you did for Nwoka, the mother, and the gallons of water you were carrying up and down, and perhaps some logs of wood you were cutting for them and breaking for them, that they are all in vain.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.